Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about 91 Star Season 3 Episode 9, The Bird. What bird are you talking about? The middle finger bird, or are you talking about the actual bird? So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon. It's new next Monday, 8/7 Central, I believe. So subscribe to the channel guys. Excuse me, let's blaze it. Yeah, let's go ahead and talk about it. Alright, here we go. You see right here, Dr. Talkington. That is his Indian wife, presume. See the fire truck, why is his eyes so big? He got like a car crash of death. Next Monday, 8/7 Central. See the fire department come in. Then they investigate some stuff. Try and save some people. But a shocking secret revealed. Oh my gosh. Is he having a heart attack? Deadly. Then we see right here, passes out. His wife is calling. Oh my god, it's not looking good for him. Good. So while you're at it, you might want to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell like it's Drew Blaze 20 YouTube and 20 TikTok. Guys, see you next video. Stop.